Good morning, students. Today the date is June 16 and the day is Tuesday. In this video, we are going to start the topic of aptitudes. This book is with your GK book. In this video, we are going to discuss what is the meaning of aptitude, what different types of aptitudes are there, which we are to do. The very first one is the definition of aptitude. Aptitude is basically what it is, the innate or acquired or learnt or developed component of competency to a certain kind of work at a certain level. This is basically the acquired knowledge by which we do certain kind of work at different levels. Basically, this is the different type of problems, some kind of figure problems, numerical problems, mathematical skill problems. By doing this kind of problems, the competency of the students increase. This is basically the skills which we got after doing the different activities on the topics of aptitude. Here we are having the kinds of aptitude. The very first one kind of aptitude is verbal aptitude. The second one is non-verbal aptitude. And the third one is quantitative aptitude. These are the three types of aptitude which we will going to discuss with you. The first definition is verbal aptitude. Verbal aptitude basically deals with the uses of words, letters and digits which acquired common sense reasoning. In verbal aptitude, actually some different letters, words or digits are given. We are to arrange them, we are to find the next missing letters, some kind of problems are there. Next is non-verbal aptitude. Non-verbal aptitude is basically deals with the logical reasoning and ability to differentiate or correlation between the given figures, diagrams and patterns. In this kind of aptitude, we are given some different figures and there may be some missing figure which we are to correlate with the given figures. And in this way we will do the non-verbal aptitude. Next one is quantitative aptitude. Quantitative aptitude basically deals with the general mathematical skills. Suppose some different sequences are given to you and you are to do the operations of mathematics on that. This type of problems which are related to mathematical operations are given to you, which basically enhance your skills of calculation on different parts of mathematics. These are the three types of aptitudes, and after doing these three types of aptitude, there may be the aptitude test which basically evaluate the three types of aptitudes. The first chapter we are going to do under the aptitude book is under the quantitative aptitude part, chapter number 26. This is BODMAS rule. Students, you also have done BODMAS rule in your lower classes, and firstly we will discuss what is the full form of BODMAS. Actually, BODMAS actually give us the order of doing the calculations in the simplifications of different expressions in mathematics. Now here B stands for brackets. Students, brackets can be in a round form, they can be in curl form, and it can also be in the square form and angle form also. This is not in your syllabus yet. So we are having three types of brackets. Firstly, round brackets, curl brackets and the square brackets. These are called the angle brackets. This is the order by which we are to solve the questions. Whenever there is the this expression to simplify, firstly we will solve the brackets. This is the order. After that, after the brackets, O stands for off. If there is any kind of off operation between the expression, we will after the brackets solve the off, and off stands for multiplication. Then D stands for division, and M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. This is the order which we are to follow for simplifying the complicated mathematical operations, where there is more than one operation. There is not only addition or subtraction, there is multiplication, division, and there are some brackets also. In such cases, we follow this BODMAS rule to simplify the given expression. Question number 1 for this is 12 minus square bracket 15 minus curl bracket 9 divided by bracket 17 plus 3 multiplied by 2 minus 20, and all the brackets closed. Students, as I have discussed before, whenever we are having different kinds of operations in the given expression, firstly we are to solve the brackets. We always solve the brackets from in to out. That is, as I have all the three brackets used here. This is the innermost bracket. So firstly I will solve this bracket part only. And for this bracket part I have again three operations used here. So according to this order I will solve this question. This is 12 minus 15 bracket start 9 divided by, as you can see from here, this is plus, multiply, minus. But according to the order, firstly I have to multiply. So I'll keep 17 as it is, plus 3 2's the 6, minus 20, bracket close. Then next step is 12 minus 15 minus bracket 9 divided by. Now after multiplication I have to add the numbers. So I will add 17 to 6. 17 plus 6 is 23. 23 minus 20, brackets close. Next is 12 minus bracket 15 minus bracket 9 divided by. Now I'll solve this bracket. 23 minus 20 is 3. So now I have solved this bracket. Now this can be equal to 12 minus bracket 15 minus. Now I'll solve this curl bracket. So 9 divided by 3 is 3. Next is 12. As there is a bracket, 15 minus 3 is 12. And when I'll open this bracket, this negative sign make this 12 negative. So the answer of this question is 12 minus 12 is 0. Students, you have to keep all the steps very carefully. We have to always solve the brackets from inner to outer brackets. Firstly, as this question was 12 minus 15 minus 9 divided by 17 plus 3 multiplied by 2 minus 20. Firstly, I'll solve this innermost bracket. After that, I'll solve the curl bracket. After that, I'll solve the square bracket, as you can see from the steps. Question number 2. 4 multiplied by bracket 10 minus bracket 2 of 21 plus bracket 110 minus 3 multiplied by 8 brackets closed. Now students, according to the BODMAS rule, we are to solve the brackets first, then to off. Now the very first step I'll do here, 4 remains same, this 10 remains same, this curl bracket remains same. I'll change this off to multiply. So this is 2 multiplied by 21. Simultaneously I'll solve this bracket as this is the innermost bracket. So as there is one negative operation and multiplication operation, so firstly, as according to the BODMAS, firstly we will do the multiplication. So here 110 minus 3 8's the 24, brackets close. This is 4 multiplied by 10 minus 2 multiplied by 21 is 42, plus 110 minus 24 is 86. So this curl bracket close and the square bracket also. 4 multiplied by 10 minus 42 plus 86 is 128. Now solve this bracket. It will be 4 multiplied by minus 118, and minus 118 multiplied by 4 is equal to minus 472, which is the required answer. If you will follow the rule and the order very carefully, ultimately your answer will be always accurate. Question number 4. Again we are having some brackets and the operations are there. Here I'll write minus 10 remains same, then minus, this minus 5 remains same, this minus sign remains same, this minus 11 remains same. Here I'll solve this one bracket first. Students, here you can see that 8 minus 10 minus 2, but here there is a bar on 10 minus 2. This indicates that firstly we have to do this subtraction. After that we will see 8, as both are the negative signs. So firstly I'll do this one. 8 minus 10 minus 2 is 8. So close the brackets. Minus 10 remains same, minus this minus 5 remains same, this minus remains same, then curly bracket minus 11 minus this 8 minus 8 is 0, so this bracket solved. Then minus 10 minus minus 5, this minus, now minus 11 minus 0 is minus 11, this is minus 10 minus square bracket minus, this minus minus will be plus 11, which is equal to minus 10 minus 11 minus 5 is plus 6. So this is actually minus 10 minus 6, which will be equal to minus 16 is the required answer. Question number 5. Students, this is 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 of 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. As there is no brackets and after brackets we know that firstly we are to solve off. So this will be 1 by 2 divided by, firstly I'll solve this off term. So it will be 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2. When I'll solve this, I'll get 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2 multiplied by 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 2. Now I have two operations here. The one is division and the second one is addition. Out of division and addition, according to the order of BODMAS, firstly I have to solve the division. So it will be 1 by 2. This can be converted into multiplication by taking the reciprocal of 1 by 4. So it can be written as 1 by 2 multiplied by 4 by 1 plus 1 by 2. So it is 2 2's the 4. So I have 2 plus 1 by 2. Now by taking the LCM of this, I'll have the LCM here 2. So 2 2's the 4 plus 1, and the right answer is 5 by 2, which is the required answer. So students, this is all about chapter number 26 under aptitude under the topic of quantitative aptitude. So students, solve these questions. This will enhance your mathematical skills and the calculation part also. Thank you.